हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू वंदनास ट्यूटोरियल। आज हम करने वाले हैं प्राइमरी स्कूल इंग्लिश ग्रामर एंड कंपोजिशन रेनिन मार्टिन इस बुक का यूनिट नंबर 12 और चैप्टर नंबर 45 कंजंक्शन। इसके पहले हम यूनिट 11 तक कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं। अगर आपने वो वीडियोस नहीं देखे हैं तो उन्हें जाकर जरूर से देख लीजिएगा ताकि आपको जो ग्रामर है वो अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ जाए। तो चैप्टर स्टार्ट करने से पहले मेरी आपसे एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे पहली बार विजिट कर रहे हो या फिर मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब जरूर से कीजिए और वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर भी कीजिए ताकि उन्हें ये जो चैप्टर है समझ में आ जाए। और अगर आपको कुछ डाउट है तो आप कमेंट में पूछ सकते हैं। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 45, व्हाट आर कंजंक्शंस। कंजंक्शंस क्या होते हैं? बच्चों, कंजंक्शंस क्या होते हैं? कंजंक्शंस वो होते हैं जो कि दो सेंटेंसेस को या दो फ्रेजेस को क्या करते हैं, वो जॉइन करते हैं। सेंटेंस को हम बार बार रिपीट करने के बदले हम कंजंक्शन से उसको जोड़ देते हैं, जॉइन कर देते हैं ताकि वो सेंटेंस हमारा लंबा ना हो। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे मैं आपको कहूँ ही लाइक्स एन आइसक्रीम, ही लाइक्स चॉकलेट। अब मैंने क्या कहा, ही लाइक्स एन आइसक्रीम, ही लाइक्स चॉकलेट। तो इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग दिस सेंटेंसेस कैन आई से लाइक दिस, ही लाइक्स आइसक्रीम एंड चॉकलेट्स। तो मैंने क्या किया, सेंटेंस को ज्वाइन कर दिया बाय यूजिंग कंजंक्शन एंड। तो ये हुआ हमारा कंजंक्शन। इससे सेंटेंस के जो रिपीटेड वर्ड्स है वो कैंसिल हो जाते हैं और जो हमारा सेंटेंस है वो भी छोटा हो जाता है और सेंटेंस साथ में हमारा इम्प्रेसिव भी बन जाता है। ओके, रीड द सेंटेंसेस बिलो एंड कंपेयर। गणेश इज वॉचिंग टीवी, गोविंद इज वॉचिंग टीवी। अब दोनों सेम ही काम कर रहे हैं तो हम क्या कह सकते हैं, गणेश एंड गोविंद आर वॉचिंग टीवी। तो कंजंक्शन एंड यूज किया। इज दैट बॉय फैट, इज दैट बॉय थिन। अब पूछ रहा है कि क्या वो बॉय मोटा है, क्या बॉय पतला है। तो इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग दैट इज दैट बॉय फैट और थिन, क्या वो लड़का मोटा या पतला है, हम पूछ सकते हैं। तो और इज अ कंजंक्शन। आई कैन रीड इंग्लिश, आई कैन राइट इंग्लिश। मैं इंग्लिश रीड कर सकता हूँ, मैं इंग्लिश लिख सकता हूँ। सो आई कैन रीड एंड राइट इंग्लिश। मैं इंग्लिश रीड और राइट कर सकता हूँ। ही फोन द ऑफिस, देयर वॉज नो रिप्लाई। उसने फोन में ऑफिस में किया, कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आया तो कंजंक्शन को ज्वाइन किया। ही फोन्ड द ऑफिस बट देयर वॉज नो रिप्लाई, बट इज कंजंक्शन। I trust him, he is honest. I trust him because he is honest. मैं इस पर ट्रस्ट करता हूँ, क्यों? रीजन दिया है क्योंकि वो ऑनेस्ट है। कंजंक्शन इज बिकॉज। What work is done by the word and in sentence 1? It joins the two sentences Ganesh is watching TV and Govind is watching TV and makes it Ganesh and Govind are watching TV. What work is done by the word or in second? Or gives a choice. क्या दे रहा है हमको? चॉइस दे रहा है, ऑप्शन दे रहा है। What work is done by the word but in fourth? But makes a contrast. What work is done by the word because? Because gives a reason. In the following sentences, the words in italics have been used to join words or groups of words. जो italics में है, जैसे ये वाले words, वो क्या है? joiner है, that is conjunctions है। The dog and the cat are in the garden. The boys came running and shouting. I played the piano and she sang songs. Is this my pencil or yours? Go away or be quiet. Or is poor but honest. But I ran fast but I missed the train. But लेकिन the mice will play when the cat is away. When कब? जब। We went home after we had finished our lesson. कब? जब हमने अपना लेसन है वो फिनिश कर दिया। You will get the prize if you work hard. I believe him because he is truthful. We shall not go out as it is very hot. He is very rich, yet he is not happy. Though rich, he is not happy. I missed the train although I walked fast. The dinner will be cold unless you walk home fast. I do not know whether he will join us. A word like and, but, or, yet, because, etc. are used to join words or groups of words. They are called joining words or conjunctions. A conjunction is a word used to join words or group of words. आपको मैं बता चुकी हूँ. नाउ विल डू एक्सरसाइज का पीडीएफ चाहिए तो बच्चों आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको उसका लिंक मिल जाएगा, आप वहां से डाउनलोड कर लीजिएगा. सो फर्स्ट वन इज पिक आउट द कंजंक्शंस. सब में हमको क्या करना है, कंजंक्शंस बताने हैं. तो धोंदू एंड पांडू आर हियर एंड इज कंजंक्शन. द बैट एंड द बॉल आर स्टोलन एंड. यू एंड आई मस्ट गो एंड. You came and I went away and. Is he your brother or your cousin or. I have a pencil but no eraser but. He has 3 sons and 2 daughters and. 2 and 2 makes 4 and. Is that story true or false or. I looked for my pen but I did not find it, but Rama failed in the exams because he was ill, because his brother passed the exams as he worked hard, as we called but no one answered, but he worked hard yet he failed, yet Babu will help you if you ask him, if he was there, for I saw him, for if he comes I shall stay. If I know him, for he is my father's friend. For do not answer unless you are asked. Unless the bag was heavy, so I could not carry it. So while I was going down the street, I met him. While he has read much, though he is young, though. Do you know if the letter has been posted? If he bowled well, although he was tired, although. Unless you write it down, you will forget it. Unless I stumbled as I was going downstairs, as it rained, so I took a carriage. So, though poor, he never works hard, though. Ask him whether he wishes to come with us. Whether. She said that she was leaving the city for good. That. Now we'll move to exercise 2. Pick out conjunctions in the following sentences and tell which words or group of words are joined by each. You and I are class fellows and. Homie is clever but careless, but. Rama was ill, so she stayed at home. So, will you have a mango or an orange? Or, I cleaned the board and he wrote on it. And, they are poor yet cheerful, yet. The cow eats grass, but the tiger does not. But, he failed in the exams, though he worked hard, though. Send for me when you want me, when. Come if you wish to ride, if. Wait till I send for you, till. I ran away before he could not catch me, before. They worked until it was quite dark, until. He missed the train although he ran fast, although. Radha got burnt because she was careless, because. Be careful or you will hurt yourself. Or. Exercise 3. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. Keshav has a bat and a ball. He is old and weak. He is old but active. Shall we walk or run? The moon is big and dark. You must work hard if you wish to get the prize. Sama will not come if it rains. Run fast, else you will miss the bus. We drink water when we get thirsty. The teacher is kind, so the pupils like him. He is active, though he is so old. You can catch the train if you run fast. Exercise 4. Join the following pairs of sentences with and or but. So Rama has a bat, he has a ball. Ram has a bat and a ball. Hari knows Marathi, he knows English. Hari knows Marathi and English. I ran, I caught the bus. I ran and caught the bus. The sun rises in the east, the sun sets in the west. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. And is conjunction. Do you like cricket? Do you like hockey? Do you like cricket or hockey? The child is deaf, he is dumb. The child is deaf and dumb. My book is lost, it is stolen. My book is either lost or stolen. Speak clearly, sit down. Speak clearly or sit down. The street is narrow, it is clean. The street is narrow but clean. He is rich, he is not happy. He is rich but not happy. The hunter shot at the tiger, he missed it. The hunter shot at the tiger but missed it. Babu laughed at the blind man. Rama helped him cross the road. Babu laughed at the blind man, but Rama helped him cross the road. Now exercise 5. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. He bought a book and a magazine. He is very poor, but he is happy. The king went to the doctor as he was ill. Either we can travel by land or by water. Bread and milk is wholesome food. I hear that your brother is in London. Make hay when the sun shines. I wonder if he will come. I am glad that you are better. He is richer than I am. She sang as she went along. Let us go to bed as it is now late. I shall go even if you come or not. All men should work, else they cannot live. Since it was a holiday, Piggy got up late. I waited till the next train arrived. There is no doubt that the earth is round. The train was derailed, but no one was hurt. Give me a drink, or I shall die of thirst. Walk carefully, otherwise you will fall. I did not come because you did not call me. You will get the prize because you deserve it. We arrived when you had gone. I shall be vexed if you do it. We got into the pot when the storm came on. He asked if he might have a holiday. If you tell me the truth, I shall not punish you. You will succeed if you work hard. If you say so, I must believe it. Ask him if he has called. If I were you, I would keep quiet. Be just and fear not. You will not keep well unless you eat enough. You will not keep well if you eat too much. See if the drawer is locked. He will not go unless I go. Can you describe when the accident happened? We shall not go until you come with us. He told me that you had arrived an hour ago. If you promise to come, I shall wait for you. Since no one helps me, I must help myself. Tea is quite harmless if not taken in excess. He felt very hot and tired, so he lay down and went to sleep. The hurricane lamp is made in such a way that the wind cannot blow it. Now we'll move to exercise 6. Join the following pairs of sentences by means of suitable conjunctions. He is rich, he is not happy. He is rich but not happy. I honor him, he is a brave man. I honor him since he is a brave man. He did not succeed, he worked hard. He did not succeed though he worked hard. Balu made 12 runs. He was caught at the wicket. Although Balu made 12 runs, he was caught at the wicket. You must be quiet. You must leave the room. You must be quiet or you must leave the room. He sat down. He was tired. He sat down because he was tired. Rama works hard. Hari is idle. Rama works hard, but Hari is idle. I lost the prize. I tried my best. I lost the prize, though I tried my best. He must start at once. He will be late. He must start at once, else he will be late. He was afraid of being late. He ran. He was afraid of being late, so he ran. He must do as he is told. He will be punished. He must do as he is told, otherwise he will be punished. I shall go, you will allow me. I shall go if you allow me. We have not seen him. He returned from England. We have not seen him since he returned from England. We are not going out. It is raining. We are not going out as it is raining. बच्चों इसी के साथ में हमने हमारा जो चैप्टर नंबर 45 वो फिनिश किया. अब हम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसी यूनिट के चैप्टर नंबर 46 कोरिलेटिव कंजंक्शन के साथ. तब तक टेक केयर एंड कीप वॉचिंग वंदनास ट्यूटोरियल. और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है अभी तक तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लो. थैंक यू वंस अगेन.